video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today I'm going to be showcasing another pre-cut style. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Julia Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below. I have not opened up the box yet, so of course you guys know I'm going to open it up with you all. I'm not gonna get into all the accessories because I don't think y'all care about it. Y'all don't care about that. So we're just gonna get into the hair, but they did include some goodies. And okay, I'm all for the orange theme, the orange box, an orange brush, and an orange edge band. Their Water Wave Bye Knots wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. And this does have a 7x5 closure area. See, this unit does come with your pre-cut lace. And y'all already know I am going to end up tinting the front of this lace because look how much lighter that is. And then they did go in and bleach this area. So I'm gonna show you all that when I put it on just to see how it looks. This unit does come with a comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It also comes with the area for the removable elastic band, which they did include. What it looks like on this side straight out of the box. I haven't added any product to this side, and then this is the side that I did decide to add the product to. You can see that it's a little bit more like defined up here and also towards the ends. It looks really good versus over here. This is what it looks like. I personally like the way that both sides look. I feel like it just depends on what kind of look you were going for. If you wanted a little bit more neater, then you could go with this side, and then if you want a big full kind of look, and I'm pretty sure you can flip this up a little bit more, then I think you'll be good to go with this side. This gives me more like beachy vibes, and this gives me more like everyday vibes. But like I said, it just really depends on what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this elastic band because it is making my lighting come off crazy because it's so neon orange. This real quick. Okay, that came out beautiful. Added any serum on this side. I just kind of fluffed it up with my hands. But I'm gonna go off of camera and go ahead and finish this side. And then of course I'll be back to give you guys my final thought. Glueless and started to add any bobby pins to the side because this fits my head really, really good. I use that adjustable elastic band and the adjustable straps in the back, and it is snug. Very comfortable on my head. It's not making my ears hurt. It's not making my ears bend. So 2 thumbs up when it comes to that. I did have to go in and add some extra tint to the front of the hairline because the lace is transparent and it was just coming off a little bit too light. So I'm glad that did help it a little bit more. As far as them bleaching the knots, I feel like the scalp part looks good. I think they could have bleached like the very front of the hairline just like a little bit more. But if you put powder right there, I think it will camouflage some of those knots. And I'm not mad at the parting space either because as you can see, you have some versatility. You can move the parting around. Use a little bit of my Tresemme Flawless Curls because I did not want the waves to be weighed down and I didn't want it to come off looking too heavy. Now, when I decided to move the parting space around, I didn't use any product. I just added some more water and then I just used the brush to kind of brush through it. Now, the ends on this definitely came off dry, and even when I dried it down and started to kind of fluff up the hair, you can see it's kind of getting frizzy and dry a little bit. So this is going to require some maintenance. Any water wave hair, I feel like, is going to be on the higher maintenance side because you are going to have to go in and work on that nape area and also towards the ends of the hair. I feel like up here in this area is good, but it's like at the ends in that nape, you're just not going to get away from it. I was really surprised that I did not get a lot of shedding when it came to this unit. Sometimes with most water wave units, because of the process, I'll end up getting some shedding, especially towards the ends, but I didn't. Even when I flipped the hair around, the shedding was very, very minimal, so I'm very happy about that. The color on this is nice. I don't feel like it's too dark. It still gives off a natural look. And I added a little bit of a swoop right here, and I just used some mousse, kind of give it more of a frontal vibe. For the most part, I think that this one is nice. The density on this is good. You can put this up into a ponytail and it's not going to look too thin. You also let me know if you like the middle part or the side part. I like both. Of course, I'm a middle part girl when it comes to like the wet and wavy styles. I like that the hair looked really good straight out of the box. It didn't really need too much to it except for the front of that lace. So if you guys are feeling this one, if you are, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.